A classic effect I call here the Leslie. So this is an emulation, of course, of a speaker that was made for the Hammond organ. So usually that speaker has two speeds, or it can be turned off, and it creates a rotating effect with what's called a Doppler effect, which changes the pitch of the sound. So the sound kind of decreases in pitch when the rotor moves away from the microphone. That's what happens. Let's listen to it. I'm sure you've heard that sound. And it can be interesting on a vocal. I guess it's the sound of the I Am the Walrus, I think if I remember correctly, of the Beatles. But let's listen to Sia with a bit of Leslie.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything.
So that's the high speed. I'm going to play just the Leslie so you can really hear it.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down.
Now I'm going to put it on the slow speed so the rotation is slower.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
And you can turn it off.
I'm the one for a good time call. Phone's blowing up. Bring on my doorbell. I feel the love. I feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3.
So here that can be an interesting pulse also behind, not necessarily instead of the vocal, but
party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
Which, a bit of a mysterious texture. So it's also a classic on guitars, that effect.
Party girls, don't.
Let's put it on the guitar here. Oops, sorry, this one. I think it's a really pretty cool effect on guitar too. Right, so if I just play the Leslie, it's going to be more filtered, a bit darker sounding. Oh, or not, if it's not in pre-fader. That's the Leslie.